So we are going to start the first chapter from our commerce subject, Organization of Commerce, 11th standard. Chapter 1, Introduction of Commerce and Business. So the all human beings require different types of goods and services to satisfy their needs. So human being need different types of goods. Yeah, here good means good means any kind of product that should be, we can say, as a tangible, and services that should be intangible. So they keep themselves busy and do something activity through their lives. So human beings have to be busy and they have to do some activity through their life. All activities can be classified as a economic and non-economic activity. Here we have two different types of human activity, that is economic activity and non-economic activity. Economic activity means in simple money, and non-economic activity means that the activity which don't need money or anything else. And as you can see, in economic activity there are three types of economic activity, that is business, profession and employment. So we are going to see, so we will study in detail what is economic activity, what is non-economic activity, what is business, what is profession and what is employment. Okay, so we will move forward with the explanation of economic and non-economic activity. So we are going to learn about non-economic activity. The non-economic activity are those human activity which are performed to satisfy personal, social, religious, cultural and sentimental requirement without monetary expectations. So as I earlier told you, a non-economic activity is nothing but the like reading books, serving people, cooking by mother, etc., in which there are no expectations of money. Okay, so the next is economic activity, action that involve production, distribution and consumption. Remember this, action that involves production, distribution and consumption of goods and service at all level within a society is called economic activity. As I told you that economic activity nothing but the money matters. So as an example, worker working in a factory, so worker working in a factory is for money purpose. By working in the factory they get money. Okay, so moving forward with the business. What is business? Business represent organized effort by an individual or a group of individuals. It is a systematic attempt by a business person to produce goods and services and sell them in the market to reap the reward by way of profit. So business means group of individual or a single person who organize and putting an effort for representing the business for gaining profit or making money, that is known as a business. And here Professor Hane had given the definition of business. Business activities are all those human activity which are directed towards the production and processing of wealth. So business is nothing but an activity, the to all those human activity which directly makes the production and the processing of wealth. So in our next slide we are going to learn about, and we are going to see about the characteristics of business. So first, if you have understand this, so we will move forward for the characteristics of businesses. So students, we have learned about non-economic activities and economic activity. I hope you have understood the concept and the introduction of economic and non-economic activity.